Welcome back to another video. Today what I want to do is go over the process of installing Git on Windows. In order to do so, go to the Git website and then you'll simply download for Windows. Click on this one right here and then click Save. We'll go to our File Explorer, go to Downloads, and you'll see Git right there. Double click it. You'll get the user account control notification. Click on Yes. Then you'll see some information about it. If you want to read the preamble, have fun. Click on Next. This is the location of where it'll be on your computer. Click Next. And these are the options that it'll currently have set up. Now, I'm not going to be using the Git GUI over here, so I'll uncheck that one. Everything else I'll leave the same. Click on Next. Click Next. Now, you could use Vim, but for simplicity, I like using Nano. Vim is a great editor, but I think when you're first starting off coding on the terminal, Nano is a lot easier. So I'll choose that option. Click on Next, 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 and keep on clicking on Next. But for here, I'm going to click on the Checkout As Is, Commit Unix Style Line Endings. Reason why I'm doing this is because I code on Windows and Mac OS, so I want it to be cross-platform. So I'll click Next, Next, and basically all the defaults will stay the same. Leave these unchecked. Then I'll click Install. Once it's done, you could view the release notes if you want, or you can launch Git Bash. I'll click on that and finish. Now, in an upcoming video when I cover VS Code, I'll show you how to make Git Bash your default terminal. And the reason why you want to do that is because it'll give you the same type of terminal or a very similar terminal as if you're using Linux or a Bash environment. And that's going to be helpful moving forward. Now, Git's very important because it gives you the ability to have version control on your system and projects. It allows you to experiment with branches. And throughout the course of this series, I'm going to show you how to use Git. This video is all about installing Git. And then throughout this whole entire process, we'll go deeper into the benefits of Git and version control. Now, if you do want to support the project, head on over to pixumweb.com, click on the WordPress themes, and consider purchasing DevWP. It helps me to create these videos. And the goal of the series and the goal of all the videos I've created in terms of WordPress theme development is to help you streamline the process of developing modern WordPress themes. You can see some of the videos I have here. You can see this 5.5-hour video that I uploaded last year. And this is one super long video that you could follow. And in this series, I'm doing it video by video. So a little bit of a different strategy. But you can see I've been doing this for a while. And my goal is to give you all the tips and tricks that I've learned across the way. This video is all about installing Git on Windows. And we'll go deeper into Git as we progress in the video series. Let's quickly go back to Git Bash. In the previous video, we installed XAMPP and we put PHP in our path. And we put MySQL within our path. Now you can check out which PHP. It'll show you the location of that. PHP space -v will show you the version of PHP that you have. And then PHP space -ini will show you the location of your ini file. Now what's cool is I'm also going to be showing you how to create aliases, which will help streamline your entire workflow. And then I'll show you how to do some bash scripting as well. Bash scripting is a great way to streamline your workflow. It increases your productivity. And overall, as you progress on your journey of being a WordPress developer, using aliases and bash scripting is something you're going to definitely benefit from. Alright, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you want to support the project, again, purchase DevWP. And definitely check out some of my other videos over here. In the next video, we're going to talk about VS Code. And I'm going to show you how I customize it a little bit for WordPress theme development. Alright, so I'll catch you in the next video. Happy coding.